Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can download and play Undertale on your iPhone device. So it's very simple and very easy, and it's the best way on how you can play Undertale on your iPhone device. So what you can do is simply head over to your web browser. I'm using Safari for this video. You can use Google Chrome or whatever. And here, as you can see, you need to type in Xbox Cloud game Undertale, because there is no way like you can use QuickTale or any other softwares, because this is iPhone and it's not available in it. But this is the best way you can do it. You just need to type in Xbox Cloud game Undertale and play Undertale. Just simply press on that. So for that, you need to have cloud game subscription, and it's very cheap to get it. Like, it's not that expensive, but you have to get Xbox Cloud Gaming subscription. And here, as you can see, you can fully play it by the fully control, and you just need to get ready to play, and then it will ask you to add Xbox Play to home screen. You just need to play. Oh, now you need to press on add to home screen, and you can just type in Undertale and press on add, and here you go. Now once you press on it, it will open up like this. It might take a while to load up because I haven't signed in or anything. I'm just showing you how you can do that, and the signing in process is very simple. And here, as you can see, it is going to show you this, and you need to sign in. Also, you need the subscription. It's very cheap. You need to just pay a little bit for it, and you can just simply sign in after that. And there you go, you can just simply play Undertale on your iPhone device. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.